Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a little different. I think I'm going to shave my face. Now I know what you're thinking. It's not the traditional shave of your face using, like, I guess shaving cream. I don't know, I've never shaved my face before. But what I am gonna do is gonna use aloe vera to shave my face. I heard that it gives you really smooth, clear skin. So what the heck? Why not try it? As you can see, I just washed my face. I do have a couple little bumps and blemishes. This is from my face scrub, but I wash my face. I normally have very oily skin. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. It's a house full of boys, Lord, and they're annoying. So anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna start right away putting the aloe vera gel on my face. It has a nice smell, feels nice and soothing and cool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna start in sections because I was a little bit scared about cutting myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna start using this Revlon eyebrow razor to start doing this little section. Ooh, look at the hairs. I believe I bought that Revlon razor at Target. It came in a 2-pack, so the other one I do use for my eyebrows. So don't judge me if my eyebrows are, you know, kind of thin, because it's quarantine time. And as you may know, we had to figure out how to do a lot of stuff by ourselves. And that was just one thing that I kind of messed up on. I mean, look at my eyelashes. I did those too, but I tried. They don't look bad. They just got a little bit spaces because some of them fell out. I mean, I also tried to polish my toes, and whew, that's a different story for another day. I started in sections, so take y'all time, all right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and get that little mustache. Yes. Taking my time, the little chin hairs. Don't judge me, we know we all have them. Shoot. I normally pluck them, but it's 1,002 of them. So maybe this way it'd be more efficient. Let me know, ladies. I can't get it waxed again. So, you know, maybe that's something I'll try next. Maybe I'll try to give a wax on myself. Yeah, that's a good one. I think I might do that next. Comment below if you want to see me do like a facial wax of some sort. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. All right, get the little mustache. Now that I moved on to the right side, I'm gonna go ahead and get my little mirror out. Couldn't really see that good, so you know, had to do what I had to do. Wait a minute. I almost forgot my forehead. How could I almost forget my big old forehead? Let me go on and make this do what it do real quick. I was a little bit nervous because, you know, I don't want to accidentally cut off my eyebrow or cut off little baby hairs that I have. So, you know, this part was a little tricky. I would say if you do your forehead, just be careful, exercise caution. Get my little unibrow, this little unibrows. Get the unibrows. Be careful. Too close. All right. Man, my eyebrow almost non-existent. Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. I did them too thin. My bad. Okay. Go on, girl, with your little bad self. Yes. Okay, so this is the final look. Skin feels soft, and I didn't cut myself. I'm mustache free. I'm beard free. Alright, so top, as you can see. It's nice and soft. Oh my god, skin feels so good. I hope it stays this way. I hope, you know, like in a day or two I don't pop up with bumps everywhere. So yeah, so I mean, it was relatively simple. I don't have any cuts or anything, I don't think. I stayed away from like my eyebrow areas. And yeah, so if you want to try it, I actually used, and I don't know if this is right, so don't come for me in the comments, aloe vera, Kroger brand, skin moisturizer, soothing gel, cools and soothes sun damaged skin. So let's see how it turns out. Bye.